The power of love is a curious thing. Make one weep, make another man sing. Change your heart to a little white dove. More than a feeling, that's the power in love. Tougher than diamonds, whips like cream, stronger and harder than a bad girl's dream. Make a bad one good, make a wrong right. Power of love will keep you up at night. Don't need money, don't take fame, don't need no credit card to ride this train. It's strong and it's sudden and it's cruel sometimes, but it just might save your life. That's the power of love.
Best picture of your whole wedding as you think. Yes, I know.
Today we have come together to witness the joining of these two lives. For them, out of a routine, ordinary life, the extraordinary has happened.
Cheers. Toast. Good luck.
It was a cold winter's day when Gemma and Travis decided to cruise Tinder. Looking for someone to warm their nights. Little did they know that swipe right and you've got a match would be the best first date and the last first date each of them would ever have. Un momento. I knew that I'd fight every day to keep you in my life. It's gonna be longer than I thought. See the red light flashing? 1,000 Ed Sheeran songs and 2 dogs later, here I stand promising my life to you. I love you and can't wait to share the rest of my life with you.
Travis, you are my best friend, my rock, and my one true love. Because of you, I am becoming a better version of myself every day. You make me laugh more, smile more, and always help me see the best in others. I've never been happier. I cannot wait for our adventures to come and build on this life journey with you. I will love you forever.
It is with great pleasure that I now pronounce to you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to present to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Travis and Jenilyn Stearns.
I'm lucky to have you as a best friend, and I'm glad you found a good guy with as big a heart as you.
First talked to Travis about Gemma and their story together, they actually brought up the fact that they talked about space travel and going to Mars as well.